Hi everyone! Congratulations and welcome to the SP family. I'm Kim, Year 2 in Integrated Events and Project Management. Why did I choose SP? I jumped at the opportunity to join SP after discovering my interest at SP Open House. How about some tips and tricks for life at SP? Firstly, join all the FOCs and don't miss out on the CCA Carnival this April. Besides making new friends, you can pick up life skills and hobbies too. Tip 2. Download the SP mobile app, which has many useful functions such as the campus map, your timetable and live feed of various food courts. Whenever I'm feeling hungry, I visit my favorite food court, FC3. There are 5 other food courts you can check out around campus. Usually, my friends and I would hang out at places like the 2 libraries, T11 Square, and Starbucks. There are conducive places to study such as SB Social Hub and Spectrum. Have you ever wondered where these cool OOTD backgrounds are? Here you go! You're welcome! Here in SP, we don't just play hard. We have patient and knowledgeable lecturers to guide our learning. That's why we work smart too.